20 Big Trucks in the Middle of the Street by Mark Lee. One ice cream truck selling everything sweet breaks down and blocks the middle of our street. A mail truck stops, so now there are two. Their drivers don't know what to do. Watch out! 2 trucks are in the way. They stop a 3rd truck carrying hay. I start to count each truck I see. First 1, then 2, and now there are 3. A pickup truck is number 4. A crane truck makes 5, and here come more. 2 moving vans are 6 and 7. Delivery trucks 8, 9, 10, 11. An officer blows his whistle. Another waves his hand. Truck 12 carries squealing pigs. 13 is piled with sand. Cement is mixed in truck 14 and 15 carries gasoline. Truck 16 can tow a car. 17 pulls a kettle of tar. Truck 18 has bread and rolls. 19 delivers meat. A garbage truck makes 20 trucks. Stuck in the middle of our street.
Please look, I say, can't you see? The big crane truck is what you need. No one hears the words I say. I'm too small, just in the way. So I stand in the street in the middle of the crowd and say it again and say it loud. Look, there, can't you see? The big crane truck is what you need.
Then yes, we think that kid's idea is best. The crane lifts the ice cream truck up slow. Now all the other trucks can go. First 1, then 2, then 3 and 4, 5, then 6 and more till all the trucks are on their way. Except for one that's here to stay. Just one truck on the side of my street.
An ice cream truck selling everything sweet.